Hello everyone, so today we're playing Biloxi High School, aka Cappy High School, cause capybaras! Okay, so let me get the money. Okay, so you guys, sorry I haven't been posting that much, cause I'm being very busy lately. So I kinda hopped in the server, and I kinda already did something like this film. Classroom, is that okay? But I can show it to you guys. So this was super expensive, okay? Listen up. Okay, and then you see the TV. Okay, we have some people. Good. Okay, here's the seating. I love this wall right here. I can literally do it in my room. I would love. If you guys play this game, can you please send me your progress? Just kidding. You guys have Snapchat? Cause I do. Okay, let's get let's get going. Yeah, sure. The infinite trash can. So this, yeah, it never ends. I thought you had no arm. Oh my gosh, arms. Okay, chemistry. This is very expensive, so not fun at all. Okay, I really want this drama class. Feels so good. Yeah. I kind of went crazy lately. That's okay, right? Oh my gosh, do we have money? Okay, this is gonna be perfecto. Okay, door. Let me get the window. Okay, now we need the lights. The teacher's desk. A board, because that's important. You guys see my money? You guys saw how much money I had? No. But no. This is impossible. No, I can't take this anymore. And by the way, they had a new. Wait. They had a new update. The gym. I thought they already had that. But I guess they didn't. I'm sure. I guess. I thought they already had the gym. Like, I don't know. Maybe they didn't. I guess. I don't have enough money. Oh wait, yeah. Sorry. I really didn't see that. But let's pretend that nobody saw that. And nobody heard that. Okay. Cut that moment. Okay, let me get the money. Yeah, the money. Not sorry. That's my cat. Just kidding, it's me. You like my voice? Don't ya? Say in the comments. This is not my normal voice. This is more like my normal voice. But I like to play like my normal voice like that. I'm a sassy girl. Sass. You know? But let me just speak with my normal voice. Oh my gosh, this school is amazing. I mean by the maze, I mean this. The whole, look at this. I just saw that if you go, wait, where is it? Oh yeah, settings. You go decrease students. I don't know what that means, but I guess we're just, oh my gosh, it takes half of my students. But 5% on, look at the chaos. And what was that? Okay, look at the chaos. It's so calm right now. I love it. I love it like this. Yeah, I'm definitely restroom. Oh, and I have never been so happy to see a restroom. This is the first time ever having a restroom in this whole Biloxi school. And by the way, this is episode 2. I'm going to post like episode 3, episode 4. I think this is gonna last to episode 5 because this school is gigantistic. But let's get the table. I think we want this one, and then the freezers, and then like the shelf and the chemicals. Okay, so this is the very dangerous classroom because there's a lot of these chemicals and they can cause like a lot of like not cool stuff. Like you can end up in a hospital. So we gotta be very, very careful in that classroom. Let me just bring the microphone right here. Do we have a microphone in here? Do we? Well, I'm gonna just say to the cameras. Hello, every single student. So I have something important to say, very important. So you must listen. Okay, so with my capybaras, we have thought that now that we have the science, I think we have science, yeah, science and chemistry class. You have to be very, very careful with that. You know why? Because there could be those dangerous chemistries and all that stuff. So you gotta be very, very careful. You understand me? Super careful, and you can only enter that classroom with a supervisor. You understand me, right? Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Okay, I think everyone heard that right now. Okay, good job. Sorry. Continuing. So, oh, we made it. Okay, yeah. Okay, warning. You see right there. That's that warning. You see? That's what I meant. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Chemistry. Let me see if we have science class. I actually don't remember. Math, English, office, history, health. Do it? Don't. Oh wait. Biology. No. Economics. Yeah, we don't have science class. Cool, I guess. I mean, not cool. Yeah, I mean, not cool. Yeah. Continuing. We have another. No, that was the restrooms. OMG. Let me get in. Let me get that extra money, that juicy money. Restroom. Oh wait, let me go report something. Real quick. Like very, very quick. Hello. Sorry for interrupting, but listen. This is not that important, but still listen, okay? So, we don't have science class, but that's okay. But saying warnings, it's still dangerous. Doesn't mean it's 10% less dangerous, okay? You understand me? The same warnings. Telling you guys, if you go to the hospital, it's not my problem. You parents are gonna pay everything. You understand me? Ow. Yeah, let's go get it. We need that money. We have 1 minute. We have 1 minute. Okay, I don't know why I'm that excited. But who cares? Restroom sign. Where's the girl? This is the girl. Where we starting at? I guess not. I guess, cause mirror. What else? Dryers. Ooh, fancy. Can we actually sit on the toilet? No, we can't. Poopy mac and cheeses. Okay, let me just get everything. I think this is the boys' one. It's the same. Okay, cool. At least we have the restrooms now. Okay, everyone can get clean. No bacteria. Okay, I'm gonna go report on everything too. Do you wanna report this thing? Is there a mirror? I hope it's not. Yeah, it's not good. Laboratory. You see that? Girl, laboratory. Okay, I'm gonna go report about this. Hello, students. So this is another thing that I want to say. So every lunchtime, make sure you wash your hands properly because we don't want any coronavirus or any bacterias getting all over people, because we don't want sick people, right? Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that their friends are sick because of bacteria. So let's remember to wash our hands. Thank you. I think I'll post about the laboratory a little bit sooner when I actually get that walls done. Like something. Okay, now we have a lot of money. That's good. Okay, the door, the window. Can even children get in here? Like, are they allowed? I'm not sure. Counter. I think they're. No, it's not. Yeah, I don't think it is. Cause we have a lot of workers right there. Yeah, I don't think it is, but I'm gonna go report about this. Let me go. Say it to everyone. Hello again, all students. So we're building a laboratory, but I'm not sure if you guys can enter. But no sneaking in while they build, cause that will make let me see. Yeah, a lot of bad things. Like, I would kill you. Like, you would be banned from the school, because this is really important, and I don't want your parents to think you're gonna die because your kid died. So please, you guys all understand me. No sneaking in the laboratory. You guys understand me? Because I don't think you guys want to be sick for the rest of your life. I don't think so. That's why I'm trying to keep you guys safe. And all that bad boys, I'm telling to you, especially. You hear me? You hear me right? You're gonna be banned from the school. Your mom and your dad don't want that, right? That's what I thought. Okay, have a nice day. I want to see all of this. Okay, this laboratory is insanely cheap. You guys, I love it. I think the laboratory is one of my favorite, though that filming is my favorite. Yeah, it is. Sorry, I think I'm sick. But my throat is like annoying me very, very much. Okay, counters. I think though this is a class. Yeah, it totally is. I think. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, what are we going? Oh yeah, from the other side. What is this? I think it's going to be, I don't know, culinary class. I think it's like science. We have already science. I don't know what's culinary. I already forgot. Okay, but let's skip that part. But I think we'll do culinary in the next episode, the third episode, because it's getting late, Time to you guys to go to sleep. Yeah, just kidding. But see you in the next episode.